Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Clicklet video with Dave the Dragon, where we look at various art books and magazines. And today we are looking at this one, which is issue number 10 of the ImagineFX Magazine for the month of November 2006. So we're continuing our look at the first year of ImagineFX magazines, and this one is going to be, I think this is going to be a cool one. So last week we looked at this one, which what I liked about this one was the yellow. I don't know where they pulled that yellow from, but it pops and it looks cool. But my favourite cover is still this one, issue number 4. So I just think what a cool character that is. I love that one. So, but this one looks quite cool, and I've got a feeling we might be into a collector's edition cover or something. Yeah, look, collector's edition. What they do every so often, we had another one somewhere. What was it? I can't remember where it is now, but here it is, look. What they did was on issue 5, they had a collector's edition, and what they are is basically subscriber covers, where you get no text on the cover, which that is actually my favourite thing. So let's have a look at this. David Dragon, he's going to let us in. Ooh, oh, it's got, I remember that, because these are actually second hand. Yeah, it's got a little rip on it, look. Not the end of the world. Also, I think, I'm not sure, but I think I remember seeing some of these issues had multiple covers. In other words, I don't know if it was this one, but it had like 4 different types of covers or something. But look at that, how beautiful is that? There's something amazing about a cover without any text on it. I just think it looks, they look like works of art, you know. Is that my favourite cover? Definitely up there. What I like about this is her hair, because it makes her look a bit like a sort of a cat. And I love the creativity of that. I've never seen anyone do that before, have a creature coming out of a tattoo. It's very cool. And also look at how sexy she looks as well. Her sexy little body. Still think, I'm not sure. Yeah, this one. There's something about this one. It's cool. But here we go, let's get into this one. David Dragon, he's going to let us in. Dun dun dun! Ah, that was on the, yeah. What they did was, that was obviously on the cover like that, look. Oh, that's quite cool. I might stick that back on and then, but you won't see that then. Issue 1, look. Ah, it's on the DVD. You can get issue 1 as a PDF file. So I bought these second hand, and I'm so glad that whoever had it kept that, because some people would have thrown that away. And here's the DVD. Got lots of things on there. Oh, I love this. So look, the artist is called Benita. Getting to see the cover come together. She looks cool. I like it when people do that with their hair. Wrap it around. See, it makes the hair look like some sort of like creature. It's cool. Here he is, look. This time he's hanging out with some zombies. So our editor Rob, he looks like a very fun character, he does. I wonder if he's still in the, I wonder if he still works for the ImagineFX magazines. That looks cool as well. I've got a feeling this is going to be a fun issue. I like that. I could imagine exploring that world. Makes you wonder where these ideas come from, doesn't it? Like, where does all this creativity come from? They're almost combined there. I love the way hair moves. I think it's really nice. Anime Studio 5. Look, new Wackham's smallest graphics tablet. A6 that is. God, that's tiny. That must be about that big, I think. Around the world. Here's our letters. I remember that. That was one of the covers. I think it was issue 3. Here's the artist's Q&A. That looks cool. Hey, it's Bobby Chiu, isn't it? Bobby Chiu must be down here, I reckon. Yeah, look, Bobby's one of the panel. So the question was, I'd like to develop my own unique artistic style, but I have no ideas. Any suggestions? Bobby Chiu. To me, this is a question of philosophy. I believe that an artist doesn't find his style, instead the style finds the artist. I love that. I often wonder, why does people always ask, how do I get a style? It is something that just happens, isn't it? Oh look, see, Bobby's cool, isn't he? I feel like he is one of the best at creating characters with character. The Art of Lee Carter. It's a cool name, isn't it? Lee Carter. I could imagine Lee Carter in a movie or something. Rodney! Little Rodney. Oh, these are nice. Artist portfolio of Steve James. That's nice. It's got a nice sort of... reminds me of Blade Runner. Yeah, there's a beautiful... it's the colour, the lighting I like on these. Yay, sketches, look. Oh, cool. And this one. I like this. Jonny Duddle. What a cool name. I think he was in one of the other issues. See, I would copy that. Copy that in my sketchbook. And this one. That's why I like looking at sketches the best, because I find them easy to copy, but I find that I learn a lot by copying them. And the other thing is, you copy them and you're trying to like recreate it yourself. So you're trying to make it look the same, but it will always look a little bit different. Again, that's your style. Because you're just naturally tend to do a line a bit curvy or something. And what will happen is it will look the same, but it will look different. And then I think it's cool. FX Pose. That reminds me of a video game on the PS3. What was it? It was called Papa and Yo, I think it was. It was a brilliant game. You used to run around these shanty towns. Oh, cool. Look at that, look. Little people on the top of that. How mad is that for a creature? Into the workshops. This is Lee Carter, this is. Doing these zombies. A guide to digital sketching. I like that. I like the thick lines. Gives it quite a nice, unique feel. A Sound of Thunder. What a cool pose. And that. Creating the right mood. I like these little ones here. Look, body language. Talking about body language. Oh, these are nice. Quick character design concepts. Digital hairstyling. That looks a little bit like Final Fantasy. I'm not sure about the eyes though. Oh cool, got no hair, look. Oh, I wonder if what they're doing is they're going to give you the character with no hair, and as a challenge you've got to put hair on them. Yeah, look. And then you can win a year's subscription to ImagineFX by putting your own hair on it. That's quite fun. Issue 11, that'll be next week. He looks cool, doesn't he? Very realistic. And I like all these little cuts, and shows that he's been around, you know. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Little pinks. There's a little city down there. There's another little one there as well. Cool, I like her pose. That's interesting. Look, they changed the outfit. Starts out with a bit of a boring outfit, and then they put the by putting that on, it's created a more interesting silhouette. I like those books. Ballistic Publishing. Spirited Away, classic. Yay. I've got that one. I've got a, I don't know, thingy of that. A clip look. A couple of impact books. Tokyo Toys. And then we got a little webcomic. Well, once again, it's another really cool, issue. Hope you enjoyed that one. We've got 2 left, and this one is coming up next week. This looks like a fun one. It's like a naughty but fun character. So that'll be next week's. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I shall see you later for another one.